Today I want to show you how to build an air filtration system. These are the sizes that you want to get, 20 by 1, because that will fit our box fan right there. You see our box fan? That box looking thing over there? Shebang. So I'm gonna go like this, and then we're just gonna use a duct tape here. I'm just gonna place it right there for a second. Gonna go like this here. You can buy one of these and it's like hundreds and hundreds of dollars. This all in is gonna cost us 70 bucks. That's including the fan itself. Also realize that this is disposable essentially. We're not building a cathedral here, so don't be super upset if it's not looking absolutely fire. We're just trying to do the bare minimum just so we can get this done. See what I'm doing here? That was like I guess you do want to make sure that there is no cracks like this. We're going to come back and tape that up nice. To do this one right here, check this out, X. So this one right here, you're basically folding this in half reverse. You're gonna put that in here like that, and then that rides up. Sick. All right, so then on this side, because it's gonna be my side that sits on the ground, I'm going to put just a piece of cardboard. And again, you could definitely use like a piece of plywood or whatever, but for me, I just wanted to kind of do this today and not really spend too much time. It's not DIY if it's not cardboard and duct tape. So next time, like you guys will be like at a party or something, you know, hey, you want to see me make a quick fan? Air filtration system? You never know when this could come in handy. I mean, some people legit, they were saying that they would build this for like a house. I'm like, I don't know about a house, but like a construction site. Yeah. Now I'm just taping off these seams right here. You see those? Like right here. So like you want to make sure those are nice and tight. So for us, apparently, apparently, this should be fine for like 4 months if you just run it. So what we're going to do is just the whole day as we're working here, I'm just probably going to keep it right here on the ground and just let this thing run the whole time we're working, because there's always dust. You know, it's like the homeowners will see this. I'm like, I don't know if it works or not, like realistically, I've never done this before, but they'll appreciate that. The fact that you're like trying to do this to like make their house a little bit better, like they will love you forever. Or better said, recommend you forever. You know what I mean? Because like you're trying. And then there is dust. You'll be like, I tried. Alright, so we're here. Now, you want to make sure that the fan is blowing out, which is right there. Because basically the way this works is the fan is blowing out, so it creates a vacuum. So the air then wants to come in through the sides. We're just gonna blow like out, and then it's going to suck the air in. All right, so now this gap around here, we have to tape off as well. And I'm gonna leave my fan just like this. Tack that in. Dang, this is looking fire. It looks legit, all right. If you guys wanna buy this for 100 bucks, I'll send you the kit. Start selling these, make t-shirts. The picture is just like this insane industrial. Oh, this came out really nice right here. Oh, industrial looking fan. But then you get this. All right, then here for the wire, we're gonna do a little. Oh, too aggressive. Put a little more tape over that. I hope this works. Oh, it's got 100% gonna work. 100%. This is going to work. Look at that thing. Yo. I know, that's pretty cool. We gotta test it somehow. We gotta make a fire. Gotta make a fire and see if it sucks that in. All right, so let's visually examine this. Looks okay. So I think I'm gonna point it this way. Zone 3. Should be sucking air in, so we won't know, and that's why we're going to start a fire and see the smoke. All right, so we're gonna make a little bit of smoke here. See it going down. It's going right in, right?
Yep.
Sick. And that is how you do an air filtration system, DIY style. Alright, now we're going to go demo, and hopefully this helps kind of keep the whole room clean. Let's go. Bang, that's a win. Bang.